Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to show you how you can mute and unmute a profile in Threads from a PC. So open your preferred web browser and then just log into your Threads profile from the website. Right, so this is a home page and should look somewhat similar to yours, right? So let's say I find this somewhat offensive, or I don't want to see this profile's posts, right? What I need to do is I'm just gonna click on the profile and then I'm gonna click on this icon right next to the Instagrams, right? Click on this and click on mute. So what that does is, of course, won't show the profile's posts on your feed. And well, to unmute it, you just click on there and again unmute it. So that's how you do it. If this content helps you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.